Welcome to this MDC video for the Smart Trap Alarm. The Smart Trap Alarm is an easy and convenient way to monitor your automatic traps and get notified by an alert on your mobile phone when the trap has been activated. In the accompanying MDC videos for the Easy Set and Easy Catch automatic traps, we talk about the fact that you shouldn't be leaving a trap unattended, because if a cat's caught and you're not there, then it's vulnerable to danger and injury, and it's very stressful for the cat. But we also know that keeping a constant visual on your trap isn't always possible. Extreme weather conditions, restricted access, or concerns about your own personal safety can prevent continuous observation of traps. To help you in these situations, MDC suggests using the Smart Trap Alarm that lets you know immediately when traps have been activated. Please note, although MDC sells the device, the system is supported by DAN control. Registration and a low-cost annual subscription fee under £30 a year needs to be purchased separately from them. Remember, it's essential that you practice using all of your equipment before you actually start going out to trap cats, so that you're completely familiar and comfortable with how it all works. To set up the alarm, attach the antenna and then open it up and insert the 4 AA batteries that are included. And wait for the 2 beeps. Now go on to the DAN Control website and follow the online instructions to register. Create a new user account, add a new device, enter the serial number which you can find on the side of your device. Your device should now be visible, and once you choose the subscription you want, your device is ready to use. Now you can log on to the app on your phone and link it to your Smart Trap device. The alarm is triggered by this little magnet attached to the cord. It attaches magnetically to the side of the device here, and when disengaged by the motion of the trap door closing, it automatically sends a message to your phone. Find the best location for the smart alarm to be positioned on the trap at the opposite end from the trap door. Cable ties are included so that you can attach it. Make sure that the side of the alarm where the cord is magnetically attached is the side that is facing the trap mechanism, because you'll need the cord to be tied to the trap mechanism in order to trigger it. Make sure that the cord is on the inside of the trap when you set it, otherwise the magnet might get caught on the trap itself. Once the trap is set, you can leave it and wait to receive an alert on your phone when it's triggered. If you have more than one trap alarmed, the app will tell you the location of the specific trap that's been activated. The Smart Trap server also allows you, as the owner, to invite up to 15 guests who can also receive alerts sent directly to their phone via the app as well. Once you've been alerted, you'll need to cover the trap as quickly as possible to help calm the animal down and reduce any stress that it's experiencing. You can join me again in the accompanying MDC video on how to use covers and how to transfer an animal into a transfer cage or carrier. Whatever MDC equipment you choose, always remember that ensuring the animal's welfare is the most important thing throughout the entire trapping process. Also remember to properly maintain your equipment after you've used it. Make sure it's well cleaned and that there's no food residue or scent pheromones from an animal that you've trapped previously. For more information about this and other equipment, visit the MDC website. And if you have any questions about the use of this equipment, contact MDC via the email address at the bottom of this screen.